Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm making food this time. It's exciting, right? I only have two main ingredients other than chicken and the rice. It's exciting. It's carrots and cucumber. That's it. It's so delicious and it took me no time. I'm just gonna get you through the highlights and I hope that helps you make the same dish if you want to and get just as excited as I am right now. Because it's such a good dish. I cannot believe it's so good. Wow. Okay, enjoy. You need very few ingredients for this dish. Other than chopped and sliced up chicken pieces. Chicken is so delicious. You need chopped and sliced carrot pieces. One of my dog's favorite things to eat. That is not his food. You need cucumbers. Cucumbers, another thing he adores. Can't make him stop eating it. Then you need sweet chili sauce. One of my favorite ingredients because it's chili. Goodness, chili sauce is the best. Then you need chili mayo. Then you need white wine vinegar. That's a different kind of vinegar than the regular vinegar. Then you need sugar to make the vinegar not as strong as it is. It's a whole thing. Then you need sesame seeds. They're delicious too, not just on burger buns. Then you need some ginger. I don't use fresh ginger, I use powdered ginger, but that's just a preference for me. Then you need some rice and some water in the rice. I use a rice cooker because I'm awesome. So I start up by taking some coconut oil. I only use coconut oil. I am refusing to use olive oil. That is an insane price for something that doesn't even taste good. And I make sure that the coconut oil is melted completely before I add the chicken. I make sure to stir all the way through the dish. That's kind of important because even though this is a non-stick wok, I still don't want things to burn. Just before I put everything else in, I put 1.5 teaspoons of ginger powder in. Ginger is a good thing. I just don't like the root ginger. Peeling that and scraping, oh no. Just powder. Powder is so much easier for me. Then I put in the sesame seeds. In the original recipe it does say to roast them first, but really it doesn't matter when I put it down right after the chicken is cooked. It's fine. Now I stir everything again. I stir and I stir and I stir. I stir everything like so much that my hand hurts when I have to stir in the rice at the end. After I've stirred everything in like about 2 minutes, I add the carrots to my dog's big sadness. And then I stir everything again. I have put some carrots aside to the dog because otherwise he will start to howl at me and bark at me and I don't want that. After a good stir with the carrot and the chicken, I add the cucumbers. Also to my dog's sadness, and he's so cute. He's so happy to get some. Anything I can give him, he wants it. I stir that very well together and it smells divine. Then I add, I would say about a spoonful of white wine vinegar. And then I add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then I stir it all together. And after a quick stir, again, always stir constantly. Then I take my sweet chili sauce. On this one, I don't have a precise measurement because I just put in whatever. I would say 2 or 3 spoons of sweet chili sauce. Goodness, sweet chili sauce is the best, isn't it? Then again, more stirring. There's so much stirring. And Ringo is very close to me. He is never far away. He really wants the food. The last ingredients before the rice is put in, before the rice is done and has to be mixed in with the whole dish, I put in the sweet mayo. Not much. I would say about a spoonful, maybe 2 or 4 teaspoons. Then the rice is done. The bowl is hot. So I always check my oven mitt, even though my new oven mitt is not really working the way I want it to. Everything is bubbling delicious. And then I add the rice. It's hot, but so delicious. And then for the last time, I stir everything very well. And then I measure. I measure the food. I have always measured the food because then I can portion it in the freezer, which is very practical for me because then I don't have to cook food every single day. That's not. I eat 300 grams of food for dinner and I have just got my husband used to it. That is the amount of food we eat. Sometimes he is not that hungry and sometimes he is more hungry. When he's more hungry, he just eats some chips afterwards. He says he's okay with it, so I am assuming and I'm trusting him to tell me if it's not. And he has been saying that he needs less food when he comes home from work, which confuses me and fucks up my whole meal planning thing. But it's fine. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I portion everything so I know exactly how much food we have and I put directly into the containers that goes into the freezer right away, so I don't have to, after I'm done eating and I'm all stuffed, I don't have to start doing that. And then the wok and the rice bowl is already empty, and I can put it directly into the dishwashing machine and pick that up right away. It's wonderful. Wonderful, I don't have to think about it because it's just on routine now. I'm just doing it. So for this dish, about 300 grams of food, it gives 6 dinners. So for me and my husband, that's 3 days. That's amazing. Freaking love that. So this is 6 dishes. It's looking so good and it tasting even better. I mean, just look at that. That is beautiful. Now I don't have a clip to show you that I actually ate it, but I promise you I did. I ate it so fast. It was so delicious. I can't believe that so few ingredients can make a meal so delicious. Like, wow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time, hopefully. And go make some food, because food is good.